all of you, your specs. We tried so hard, man, to find that common ground. You know, understand? One guy will meet like at least some of your expectation, yeah? So we work things out. As usual, Rush Energy Drink is saying that those of you watching us at home, please, by all means, give us reasons why you think people should be working smart instead of using all the energy with them. We have rewards for you. Let me get to know you. Essay now. Essay now. Essay now. How are you?
Fine.
Nice. Oh, your first time on the show?
Yes, please.
Hey, why are you singing Essay now? Why, Davi?
I've not yet found love.
You've not yet found true love?
Yes, please.
Is it that you've been looking at all the wrong places? What? No, come on. So your previous relationship, how did it end? Premium tears, Anna.
Yes.
You cheated?
No, he cheated.
You're sure?
Yes, please.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
You're a student.
Yes.
You're studying?
Logistics.
Logistics.
Yeah.
Wow. Vilma. What's the right name? Vilma. All right. What do you do?
I'm a sales specialist.
Sales specialist. Yeah. They are calling you Jollof Ra. Why?
Yeah, I think
Why are they calling you Jollof Ra?
I take orders, especially jollof.
Oh, okay, that's it. Charlie, African woman, thick kakra, you know, melanin, and you know how to cook. So why are you single? What did you do wrong?
Oh, Giovanni.
Yes.
He says I post too much stuff on my status.
We are
and
social media guy. He doesn't like it. Hey, sir. Nana Yeboah.
Jojo.
What do you do?
I'm a student, also a photo model and an influencer.
Influencer.
Of course.
What are you studying?
I'm reading sectorship and management studies.
What?
Sectorship and management studies.
Oh, one.
Sectorship.
Sectorship.
Yes, please.
Bravo. Do you know sectorship?
No.
Me neither. That's right. And a photo model as well.
Yes, please.
All right. And you're here to find love.
Love.
Love. What's your kind of guy?
Jojo. Actually, I want a guy with weight underweight. Weight underweight.
No further questioning, my lord. All right, madam, introduce yourself to us.
I'm Ajubi.
Ajubi.
Yes.
And you are single because?
I'm single because my ex-boyfriend was bombed.
He was bombed, like boom.
Yes. Because yes, because he left me as leftover.
Oh. After giving him how many years of your life?
A few months of relationship.
Few months?
Yes, please.
And he just left like that?
Yes, please.
Without outro?
Yes, that's why I'm here to look for real love.
Okay, thank you, Ajobi. Marjorie, how are you?
I'm good, Giovanni.
What do you do?
All right, I'm a kinky seller, but yeah.
Gankong?
Yeah, I'm a kinky seller.
Wow.
Yeah, but I'm talented when it comes to presenting.
Oh, great.
Talented in acting, talented in modeling, talented in cooking, talented in everything. In fact, I'm the second image of Nana Mama Brown.
Nana Mama Brown, wow. That's right, I like that. Okay. All right. Please, Holy Mon, is that the name?
Yes.
Holy Mon.
Afo.
Oh, Afan.
Maroko have fun.
Ela. Okay, Holy Mon, why are you single with such a nice name?
I lost my ex.
You lost your ex?
Yes, please.
Oh, no. No way. How did it happen?
He was sick.
How long have you guys, were you guys going out?
3 years.
Oh, no. So sorry about that. All right. What do you do?
I'm a chef.
You're a chef as well. A lot of cooks on the show today. Wow. That's impressive. From kenke to jollof to variety, local and continental dishes,
Yes.
including sobolo. Wow. Nice. Hey, Ellen, how are you?
I'm fine, Devon.
Nice, beautiful hair.
Thank you.
Yeah, you know this style actually allows you to project your forehead, and the beauty is phenomenal.
Yes, I want to show it.
You want to show
my
to the
forehead.
world.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
like it. So yeah, tell us about you. We want to know you.
I'm a hairstylist at Trims and Lilies.
No wonder. You did it yourself?
Yeah,
Wow, that's beautiful.
thank you.
Is that bone straight?
This is not bone straight.
So which one is this one?
It's body wave.
Body wave.
Yeah. Swoop. Swoop.
That's right. And you've been doing this for how long?
For like a year.
A year. All right. What's your kind of guy?
Giovanni, I like funny guys. If you are funny and you won't give me money, I'm okay.
You just want to laugh.
Yeah, that's all.
You want to laugh and let your head
I
down.
like guys with beard.
Oh, and guys with.
Beard.
And then
A
what
lot.
else?
Not this kind of beard, like a lot.
Ma come chica crack. Precious me nina. Precious call. I won't come back to her again. Call. Precious, tell us about yourself.
Mopokia Precious, aka Sharon's baby. Yeah, Sharon's baby. I'm
Okay.
a beautician
All
and
right.
also an actress.
Actress.
I do nails, makeup, and a lot.
All right. Okay, yes. Harriet?
Yes, Joe.
Yes.
AKA Kaswa Beyonce.
That's right. Kaswa Beyonce. You're looking for your Adesawe Kanda Jay-Z. And
Yes.
what's your kind of guy?
Okay, right now, anything goes because at first I'll be like, I want a TikTok guy, a bearded guy, but
May
now
they tell you. In choke, they take Duam. They clear the standard. It is so. So right now, anything goes wrong.
Yeah.
All right. But why are you single though?
Okay, my ex cheated on me.
Okay. All right. All right, ladies and gentlemen, round of applause for my ladies. Give it up.